wrench removes hard-to-reach bolts with a mere twist of the wrist. This cutter tool creates the illusion of real brick on a flat slab of wet concrete. This motorized log splitter uses a metal beak in a circular motion to divide a stump. This small clip uses heat to seal bags that couldn't otherwise be closed. A gigantic handsaw can cut through a thick log in seconds.
Check it out, guys. I had an issue on site today where I needed to take a 1/4 inch off the length of this treated board, and I didn't want to get my table saw out, so I used my Martinez stair gauge. That's that black thing at the front of the saw. Clamped it on and made a perfect 1/4 inch rip. Super efficient and just overall awesome. I love having multiple uses for a tool like that.
We broke our toilet flange, but it's not a big deal because we have this cool ram bit. Essentially what it does, it bores out the old fitting that used to be there, and then it makes room for the new fitting. If we did not have this, we would have had to replace all the fittings downstream, which kind of gets a little more complicated. Here, this was super easy and quick.